Best home remedies for urticaria, hives. Hives are a common skin issue that can occur for a variety of causes. It causes skin to become irritated and inflamed, resulting in elevated skin surfaces. Try these home treatments to get relief from hives quickly. Apply a cold compress. The chilly temperature of water or ice helps to soothe irritated skin. Simply soak a cloth or towel in cooled water and apply to hive-affected areas of skin. Use an oatmeal scrub. Oatmeal's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent hydrating and relaxing scrub for the skin. To soothe inflamed skin, take a morning shower in tepid water and gently massage the areas of skin with hives using an oatmeal soap bar or baking soda scrub. Use aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, in addition to being a natural moisturizing agent, includes large reserves of useful antibacterial chemicals. Hives can be efficiently treated by applying a liberal layer of aloe vera gel to the affected area before going to bed. Wear clothing that you are comfortable in. Many persons with sensitive skin develop hives when they wear leather, wool, or other materials that brush against their skin repeatedly. Wear breathable clothing made of cotton or other light, hypoallergenic materials. Rub in calamine lotion. Calamine lotion is a common over-the-counter medication known for its exceptional ability to relieve itching, also known as pruritus, which is typically associated with hives. After taking an oatmeal bath, wipe dry the afflicted regions with a clean towel and apply calamine lotion. Calamine's notable soothing properties work wonderfully when applied directly to irritated skin and reduce recurrent scratching. Baking soda paste. Make a paste with a teaspoon of baking soda in some cold water, then apply it to the afflicted region. Before washing it off, let it dry fully. If necessary, repeat this procedure many times each day. Use witch hazel. While hives are present, dabbing witch hazel on them many times per day can help to reduce inflammation and irritation. Any type of vinegar. To relieve itching, combine 1 teaspoon of any type of vinegar with 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water and apply the mixture to your hives with a cotton ball or tissue. Here are 2 simple DIY treatments using natural products to relieve itching in the skin and heal swollen hive areas. Vinegar and sugar balm. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon vinegar, 3 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon water. In a bowl, combine the vinegar and sugar. Add warm water to the mixture. To relieve itching, apply to swollen skin with hives. Vinegar contains antibacterial qualities that help to prevent skin infections and reduce inflammation. Shea butter and lavender oil cream. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon shea butter, 3 drops lavender essential oil. In a clean container, combine the shea butter and lavender essential oil. Gently dab it on hived regions of the skin. Allow it to sit for up to an hour before rinsing it off with cold water. Shea butter is a fantastic moisturizer that hydrates the dry, flaking areas of skin affected by hives. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.